Hi, I'm April Bennett and I am the owner and designer at CuddleMeBeanies. Today we're going to be working on the chevron stitch. I looked everywhere to try to find an easy to understand pattern or video tutorial, and there just wasn't one out there that I got, so I came up with this one. There's probably many similar ones. This was just easiest for me to follow and remember without having to check back with a pattern. So we're going to start out with an eye hook, and I love these hooks by Clover. So it's an eye 5.5 millimeter, and then I've just chosen 3 different colors of yarn. I have pink, gray, and white for this one, but you could use any that you want. Any combination. You could use 1, you could use 2, 3, but I just find that 3 colors are really flattering. So in this chevron stitch, you're going to need multiples of 16, and I have already chained 32, and we'll just do the smaller one for the tutorial. But if you want it bigger or longer, you know, for instance, for maybe a blanket or anything like that, just count to 16 and repeat counting to 16, and do the chains like that until it gets as long as you want it to be. And then at the end, when you do multiples of 16, you need to just add 2. So we'll start. I'm going to add 2 here. Keep your thumb on that stitch so you remember where to put the first stitch. So what we're going to do is double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So we'll put 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Now we're going to go 6 more double crochet. So let's work the 6 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, hope you can see that, 5, and 6. Now, the chevron stitch is made, you know, by going kind of in a zigzag. So we're going to start going down from here. So what we need to do is in the next stitch, put 3 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to start going down the zigzag, and we're going to put 6 double crochet. So in the next stitch, there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, in order for it to start going back up, we're going to have to combine some stitches. Now this is 3 double crochet together, and I know it sounds difficult, but it's really not. Fairly simple. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull through 2. Now leave those on your hook. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. And in the last stitch, oops, there we go, yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4, and it kind of bunches that group together. Now after that, you're going to crochet 6 more double crochet, 4, 5, and 6. Now again we'll repeat because we need to start coming down. We'll put in the next stitch 3 double crochet. Okay, now you can kind of see, not really, but there we go, how it's kind of working into a chevron. Now after the 3 double crochet in that stitch, we're going to do 6 more double crochet. Whoops. There's 4. 5, and 6. Now, after you've done the last, when you get to the length of your row, you should always have 2 stitches left. Now, if you don't do that, you didn't count the right number of chains. So you should always have 2 chains left. So what we're going to do, instead of doing a 3 double crochet together, we're going to just do the last 2. So we're going to yarn over, insert, pull through 2, and do that again on the very last stitch. Pull through 2. Now yarn over and pull through all 3. Now what this does, I'll lay this down, hopefully you can see it. Now what that does is it's going to help the edges be straight. Once we're done with that, it'll help kind of line up the stitches. Okay, now we're going to chain 2 and we're going to turn our work. So now that we're working down the other side. Now we're going to skip, if you can see this, we're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to put a double crochet in the next stitch. So go ahead, put your double crochet. There we go. Now we're going to double crochet 6 more. So we should have a total of 7. So we'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at this point, if you can kind of see from where we put the 3 double crochet in the first round, or the first row, we're going to put another 3 double crochet into the center of the 3 stitches. Easy. So if you'll notice, we did 7. Make sure that you do 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to put the 3 double crochet. And there's your 3 double crochet.